Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Chanjida Rahman, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a assignment discussion class for the student of class 7, and our today's subject is science. Our today's class lecture number class 7. My dear students, you know that third week assignment is also coming, and this is your first science assignment. At first we will read the question, assignment question, then we will discuss how you can prepare your assignment. Now let's start our class. This assignment is from your chapter 1, lower organism. Here chapter 1, lower organism. Assignment title: Role of microorganism in creating health hazard and creating awareness. This is the assignment title, and you have told that prepare a report including the role of any two of the microorganisms that are, according to you, responsible for the health hazards of your family members. You will also include what you can do to raise awareness for the preventing and curing these microorganisms. This is the question. That means you have told to prepare a report that two microorganisms, mentioning two microorganisms which create diseases or harmful for our body, and also how can we prevent this microorganism, and which preventive measures should we take to prevent this microorganism. Now, learning outcome. Learners will be able to describe the characteristic of virus, bacteria and amoeba. Explain the role of virus, bacteria and amoeba in creating health hazards in human body. Explain the prevention and remedy of the health hazards in human body caused by virus, bacteria and amoeba. In curing these health hazards, they themselves will be aware as well as make others aware. So, here is the outcome. Now, here is the guideline for the assignment. That means for preparing this assignment, they give you some guidelines how can you prepare the report. The following steps are to be followed while writing the assignment. Number A, mentioning the name of the two microorganisms and describing their characteristic. B, describing the role of two microorganisms in creating health hazards. Number 3, describing the preventive measures against health hazards caused by microorganism. And number D, how to create awareness among people to reduce health hazards created by the microorganism. This D number question, this D number assignment guidelines is absent from English version question, but this guidelines is also present in Bangla version question. So, I wrote it. Now, how can you prepare this assignment? Assignment given for preparing by the student. So, we just give you the direction how can you prepare the assignment. Assignment have to be written by you properly. This is the first page of your assignment. You will make a cover page, and you write your name, class, roll number, section and subject in the cover page. Then you will make your first page of the assignment. Third week assignment 2022, class 7, subject science, assignment number 1. And title of the assignment or name of the assignment. The title of the assignment is Role of Microorganism in Creating Health Hazards and Creating Awareness. Now, in this assignment, you have to say that you will prepare a report. So, for preparing a report, you have to follow this style, this format. Date 28 to 22 to the Headmaster, National Ideal English Version School, Bonasri, Dhaka. Subject, make a report including the role of microorganism in creating health hazards and creating awareness. Sir, with due respect and humble submission that NIEVS It is the abbreviation of NIEVS, class 7, date 26th February 2022, published that make a report including the role of microorganism in creating health hazards and creating awareness. The report is given below. Now you will write a introduction that what is microorganism. Microorganism, we can see many organisms around us. Besides this organism, there are numerous invisible organisms which cannot be seen by bare eyes. They do not have well organized cells with a specific nucleus. These are known as microorganisms. Example of microorganisms are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, amoeba, etc. are called microorganisms. Here you can write the description of microorganism. Here virus, bacteria, fungi, and amoeba, algae. So you write their description. Now question answer A. Here guideline for you, mentioning the name of the two microorganisms and describing their characteristics. So here the name of the two microorganisms and their characteristics are described below. Number 1, virus. They are composed of only protein coating and nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Then you will write that virus is a unicellular organism. It is has no cell wall and plasma membrane and prepared nucleus and other things you will write here. Here for giving marks, there is an instruction for the teacher that if the name of two microorganisms and mention and their nature are described, that means you have to describe two microorganisms and their description or their characteristic. Then question answer B, describing the role of two microorganisms in creating health hazards. That means you will write that these two microorganisms create health hazards. The role of two microorganisms in creating health hazards are described below. Number 1, virus causes pox, measles, sneezing, influenza, etc. in human body. And number 2, one type of bacillary bacteria is responsible for causing bacillary dysentery. If you write the name of microorganism virus, that virus causes pox, measles, sneezing, influenza, etc. in human body, you write at least 2 health hazards in your example. I give only 2, one from virus and one from bacteria, but you have, if you write, then you give 2 health hazards about the virus and 2 health hazards creating by the bacteria. Now question answer C, describing the preventive measures against health hazards caused by the microorganisms. Now the preventing measures against health hazards caused by microorganisms are given below. Number 1, use a handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Number 2, avoid spitting on the road. Number 3, drink and use safe water. Number 4, use a healthy sanitary latrine. Number 5, avoid taking open food from the roadside shop. Now question answer D, how to create awareness among people to reduce health hazards created by the microorganism. This question answer, how to create awareness among people to reduce health hazards created by the microorganism. Answer, different microorganisms created health risks to human body. To reduce these health risks, awareness work and effective work. These lower organism or microorganism cause diseases of man, domestic animals, birds and plants. These organisms also have beneficial effect on the environment. Now how can you make yourself aware and also other aware about this microorganism? Number 1, I just give a sample. You have to write more options. I just give some example for your better understanding, but you have to write these things by yourself, like avoid unclean areas and keeping safe distance from sick people. Number 2, encourage everyone to lead a healthy life. Number 3, to take vegetables and have a balanced diet aside fish and meat. And also you can write that when you going to the gathering, you wear a mask. When you going outside of the home, you wear a mask. Always wash your hands before taking meal and after using toilet. and you use hand sanitizer frequently, so that you can prevent this microorganism and keep yourself safe. Now this is the structure of the assignment. You have to write on your own way. I just give some direction how you can prepare this assignment. Now assignment, this is the last page of the assignment. Submitted to that means my name or your teacher's name. Submitted by, you will write your name, submission date 5/3/2022 and submission time, and your this assignment submission date is 5 March 2022. My dear students, you will do this assignment in A4 size offset paper and must be include a cover page of this assignment. I hope you can understand the assignment and you will do the assignment properly and submit it on the due date. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.